bringing back the New Balance 992, one of a few joint prongs that included Ronnie Fieg's two Osaka colorways and Joe Freshgoods aged well, really matches the picture. With ease, Teddy Santis is sharing his own two-pack with those totemic partners, which includes the New Balance 992 made in USA calcium that is currently in use. Indeed, the full preview of the spring or summer slate gave us a sneak peek at the aesthetics to come and signs that this silhouette will play a significant role in the ALD founder's work. With merchant photos, the delicious combination of calcium and raw cashew has been fully unveiled, taking up the majority of the space. While flashes of distinctive NB gray appear in the collar and sole unit, two pale yellow eye stays allow some lively energy to surreptitiously enter the design. The $200 New Balance 992 calcium, made in the USA, should arrive sometime in May.